welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test video for E8. Well, this ought to be funny. E8HN207. Little screw up on my part there. The 2008 Honda Civic. The 1.7 liter 4-cylinder. And I'm all full of screw ups today. 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. I'm gonna be about ready to fire myself. I'll keep it up. Nice clean oil. Car was not damaged that badly in the accident. Just a little side swipe. Nice clean vehicle, well maintained. We do offer extended warranties, 6 month, 1 year, and lifetime part and labor warranties are available. Oh, my fat ass in here. This vehicle has 74,040 miles on it. Oh. Revs up nice and smooth. Thank you again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E8HN207 2008 Honda Civic. Thank you and have a nice day.